Good afternoon, everyone. I am Avni, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we'll be covering news about anticipated growth in EV industry. NPCI introduces Tap and Pay for UPI applications. Pika Labs unveils Pika 1.0 update for AI-generated content. University of Edinburgh develops 3D printed body-on-chip. High profit exits in IT industry indicate maturation and growth. FirstCry's plans INR 1816 crore IPO, including pre-IPO placement. US Air Force successfully tests reverse flow aerial refueling technique and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The electric vehicle EV industry is expected to generate around 50 million direct and indirect job opportunities in the next 7 years. The growth is attributed to heightened customer awareness, government incentives, and technological advancements. The Indian EV battery market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 10.56% from 2023 to 2028. Initiatives like FAME 1 and 2, PLI and budgetary allotments support EV infrastructure developments in India. Battery swapping technology and improved affordability are anticipated to revolutionize long-range mobility in 2024. The EV industry expects a surge in demand for passenger cars in 2024, achieving parity between electric two-wheeler and four-wheeler sales in India. The National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) announces the introduction of Tap and Pay functionality for UPI applications. UPI members including BHIM, GPay, Paytm, PhonePe can implement Tap and Pay by January 31, 2024. Tap and Pay mode is enabled by default for customers and cannot be disabled, ensuring secure and convenient transactions. NFC tags in QRs and UPI smart tags embedded the receiver's UPI ID VPA requiring an internet connection to complete the transaction. The feature is supported by BHIM and Paytm with an emphasis on enhancing the user experience in UPI payments. Users can utilize Tap and Pay by selecting the icon, entering the amount, tapping devices, entering the UPI PIN and completing the transaction. Pika Labs introduced a major update for its AI-generated content platform. Pika 1.0 showcases improved video quality and anatomical realism compared to a beta version. Notable depictions of Elon Musk and a raccoon eating prompt reflect increased realism in AI-generated videos. Pika 1.0 also allows users to upload reference videos and generate new content with captured motions. The update introduces features enabling users to alter clothing on figures, enhancing content manipulation. Critical information, including video length and subscription plans, is yet to be disclosed post-launch. The University of Edinburgh introduces a 3D printed device called the body-on-chip, aiming to replace animal testing in drug and chemical safety. The device mimics how drugs move through the body's organs, with 5 sections representing the heart, lungs, kidney, liver, and brain, all containing human cells. Developed in partnership with the Edinburgh College of Art, the body-on-chip has promising results for drug development and safety testing. Funded by €260,000 from the Medical Research Council (MRC), the device will undergo further testing using sterile materials. The body-on-chip has the potential to replace a significant number of animals used in safety testing across various industries. The device offers a more ethical and effective approach to drug testing, aligning the advancement in 3D printing technology. The IT industry experiences high-profile exits in 2023, including executives like Mohit Joshi, Ravi Kumar S, and Jatin Dalal. These exits are seen as indicators of the industry's maturation and growth, with executives exploring new opportunities. Saurabh Srivastava, former NASSCOM chairman, suggests that executives' exit can signify a vibrant ecosystem, but mass departures may point to management issues. The IT sector's revenue growth is expected to slow down to 8 to 10% due to weaker economic conditions in the US and Europe. Srivastava emphasizes the importance of understanding why top talent is leaving a company and addressing any underlying management concerns. While individual exits may be indicative of industry dynamics, widespread departures could signal broader management issues. FirstCry, a SoftBank-backed online retail startup, plans to raise INR 1,816 crore through fresh share issues in its initial public offering. The IPO includes an offer for sales component, allowing existing shareholders to sell up to 5.43 crore equity shares. FirstCry considers a pre-IPO private placement of equity shares to investors with an aggregate amount not exceeding INR 363 crore. IPO proceeds will be used for expanding stores and warehouses, overseas expansion, subsidiary investments, sales and marketing, technology, and corporative purposes. The company has raised over $700 million in multiple rounds, with SoftBank, Chris Capital, and Vertex Ventures among its backers. FirstCry's IPO represents a significant funding move to support its growth initiatives and strengthen its position in the online retail market. The US Air Force conducts a successful test of reverse flow aerial refueling technique using a Lockheed Martin C-5M Super Galaxy and a Boeing KC-10 extender. In the unique approach, the tanker connects to the transport aircraft via a refueling boom, replenishing its own onboard supply. The reverse flow technique is more efficient, allowing a tanker aircraft to fuel itself without requiring another tanker, increasing availability for another missions. During the evaluation, a C-5M transfers 23,500 IB of fuel to a KC-10 in approximately 30 minutes, collecting valuable data for future enhancements. The technique enhances range and capabilities, potentially reducing the need for additional tanker aircraft during the operation. The successful test showcases innovation in aerial refueling, contributing to the efficiency and effectiveness of US Air Force missions. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।